kids! I am Bob the Train. Let's meet the alphabet transport vehicles today. A is for aeroplane that flies in the sky so high. B is for bus on the road. You can see it passing by. C is your family car. When you honk, it goes parp, parp. D is for dirt bike. Don't ride it in the dark. Takes us up and down. F is for forklift. It can pick things off the ground. G is for garbage truck. It goes all around the town. H is for helicopter. It lifts straight up from the ground. For ice cream truck. It goes ding-a-ling, ding-ding. J is for jumbo jet. It's huge, it flies like the wind. K is for kayak. You need to row and row. L is for lorry. It's so big and strong. Motorcycle, it goes vroom, 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 vroom. N is for Navy ship. It's got such a lot of room. O is for oil tanker, riding on the tides. P is a tiny pram that babies love to ride. A quad bike. It's cool to ride out far. R is for rocket ship. It can fly right to the stars. S is a submarine that can go to the deepest parts. T is a long, long train. It's so long from end to start. For unicycle, it only has one wheel. V is for van. It can fit quite a few inside. W is for wagon. It can carry stuff on the way. X is for Z-back. You won't see one these days. just say hi. Z is for Zeppelin. You'll love to ride it in the sky. Wasn't that fun, kids? Riding all the alphabet transport vehicles. See you again soon with Bob the Train.